What's the meaning of currency? Currency. Currency.
Currency. Currency. Currency refers to the system of money that is used in a particular country or region. It can also refer to any type of money that is in current use. In this context, currency serves as a medium of exchange, a unit of account, and a store of value. The value of currency is determined by various factors such as supply and demand, inflation, interest rates, and political stability. As such, currency remains an essential component of global economic activity, facilitating trade and commerce across borders.